Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to make custom stickers on Snapchat. So how you can do that. First of all, you have to simply open the Snapchat, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on any snap, and after that you have to simply click on edit snap, but make sure that that snap has anything. You can make it as a sticker. So you have to select any photo in which you can select any object which can you make as a custom sticker. So you have to click on three dots here. If you click on three dots, then you can simply find the edit snap option. After that, if you want to create sticker, so you have to simply click on the scissor icon here. After that, you have to select that object so that you can make it as a custom sticker. So while selecting, you have to make sure that you can only select that object. After doing all the things, you can simply click on done, and that sticker has been created. If you click on done and if you click on save as copy, then that sticker has been created. Now I will show you where that sticker looks. So you have to select any of the snap, and after that you have to simply click on edit snap, and here you can find all of your stickers. And if you click on scissor icon, then here you can find the created stickers you have recently. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.